Hello folks, welcome again for another clarinet gear review. Today we will be reviewing my newest ligature. So this is a Kodama by Woodstone ligature. Last year I purchased the brown leather ligature, and this year I purchased the black leather ligature because one of my followers mentioned that they do sound differently. So I'm curious the difference, and I saw the chart, and yeah, it does sound a little bit different, but they're almost the same. The feel wise, they're the same. Uh, Free blowing, a little bit resistance, articulation, they're the same. From the first time I picked it up, the brown leather, it is a little bit lighter compared to the black leather. The black leather is a little bit heavier. What I noticed is that the brass screw and the support is a bit chunkier, so that's why it's a bit heavier. The design wise and size wise, they are the same. It has a wood middle insert. The prints are the same. As you can see, they're the same. It's just the screw and the support is a bit bigger on the black leather. Let's do some sound test. I'm going to start with a brown leather ligature first. I will be playing slur F major scale followed by articulation F major scale, and then um, clarinet concerto part 2 adagio. This is where the sound differs. Okay, what I'm playing right now is I have my Buffet R13 Van Doren DB5 mouthpiece, size 3 V12 reed. And the weather today here is a little bit dry. It's 20% humidity, so my clarinet might sound a little bit stuffy. Okay, F major scale. Okay. Okay, that's the brown ligature. I've noticed it's a little bit warmer sound compared to the black. Now let's try the black leather. This one has more ping, has more edge sound wise. Okay, F major scale, slur. It has more edge. It brings out the R13 signature sound. Okay. Okay, that's the Kodama black leather ligature. From the days that I've been playing the black ligature, I like this more than the brown. Although the difference of the sound is a little bit subtle, but you can really feel it. The black leather has more vibration. It has more ping, which I like. I like pinger sound than warmer sound. And it the sound that you produce on this one, it has you have more volume. That's the biggest difference. This one is plays louder compared to the brown one, but they're sounding big. The other one is warmer. This one has more ping. Okay, peace out.